boys and girls, and welcome back to Shivvy Time! Today's Shivvy Time is all about poems, and I'm going to read a poem to you from a lovely, long, oldish book called A Caribbean Dozen, Poets from Caribbean Poets. So today I'm going to start off with a poem from a lady called Valarie Bloom, and it's called Chicken Dinner. Are we ready? Mama, don't do it, please. Don't cook that chicken for dinner. We know that chicken from she hatch. She is the only one in the batch that the mongoose didn't catch. Please, don't cook her for dinner. Mama, don't do it, please. Don't cook that chicken for dinner. You mean to tell me you forget? You promise her to we as a pet. She didn't even have a chance to lay yet. And you want cook her for dinner? Mama, don't do it, please. Don't cook that chicken for dinner. Don't give Henrietta the chop. I tell you what, we could swap. We will get you one from the shop if you promise not to cook her for dinner. Mama, I'm really glad, you know. We never cook any for dinner. And she glad too, me bet. Oh, Lord. Me suddenly feel upset. You don't suppose it's somebody else's pet we are eating now for dinner? I hope you enjoy that, boys and girls. Stay tuned for the next poem on Shivvy Times Poems. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.